Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel Excel Everywhere. In this short video, we will try to find a way to create a very simple credit debit statement in Excel like this, and just a single formula is running in this entire sheet, and that's the reason the sheet will be very lightweight. Okay, for the demo purpose, let me show you by changing the credit to maybe 6 lakh. You can see the balance getting updated in real time. Let me change the sales 35,000, and you can see the balance changing instantaneously. So let's proceed in this tutorial to demonstrate how to create this template, which can be of tremendous use for any financial or any normal Excel user as well. So let's start this. We have the serial number running in here. For the description, let's start with opening balance. Let's put it like 10 lakhs. Debit will be 0. Balance will be equal to this credit minus debit. Perfect. For the second description, we can like inventory purchase. The credit will be 0. Debit will be something like 35,000. Okay. Now it's our turn to fill in the formula. Okay, the formula will be like if, and there will be one more logical test and that will be like if this cell, I mean the cell C4, if this is equal to blank, and if the adjacent cell D4 that is also equal to blank, then the result should be the previous balance, that is E3. Okay, and if that's not the case, we should be getting the result as this balance plus this credit, which is in C4, minus the debit, which is in D4. And this is the formula. The formula assumes that if the credit is empty and the debit is also empty, the result should be what is the previous balance, like this 10 lakhs. If that's not the case, it means that there is something in credit and something in debit. Then the formula will be like this, like the previous balance, and that will be added to the credit, and the debit, of course, that will be subtracted. So this is the formula. That's a very simple formula, I think. Okay, now let's test our billing software. So let's description we can enter like sales must generate some revenue, so credit will, let's pick it like 4 lakhs, and debit will be 0. Okay, my bad, I forgot to drag this formula down. Okay, you can see everything is working perfectly. So let's just with one more example like expense, the debit will be maybe 3 lakhs. Perfect. Everything is getting updated real time. So this is a sort of mini credit debit statement, which is very lightweight just because it has got a very simple formula, that to a single formula, although dragged to the cells as many as required, but this is very lightweight. So if you like such sort of Excel videos and you like to hear more from me, please subscribe the channel. Please like this video, share it among with your friends and relatives, those who are interested to know the hacks of Excel. Thank you. Thank you all. See you in some next Excel video.